Hello and welcome to Masterdigm. Today we would like to go over the Tools and Settings section, Manage Lead Custom Fields. When you click on that, you will notice there's nothing in the area. However, in this case you'll see some predetermined field labels that we've made. The way that this works, and you can make them searchable, and you could change the sequence of their order by these arrows here, up and down. So simply click on the arrow and it'll move them up, but by simply clicking Add New Field. In this case, I created a field name called Cities Interested In, and I'll make it, you can make it a text area, a text or a text area, which is a big box. This would be considered a text area. Text box is a smaller box. Select box, which is a pull down menu. Check boxes, self-explanatory, and a radio buttons, which you could have one or the other, but just only one. Where select box, check boxes, you get multiple. And in this case, you would write your values. I had a couple of values here: Los Angeles, Nevada, San Diego, Florida, and the default value, depending if it's a checkbox, I could leave as empty. If it's a select box, I would then have select. So in this case, I would make it a select box, and I'll just write select. The order, depending on if you created other fields, you could put it on the top, and searchable. Typically you're going to say yes and hit submit. Now we added the cities. So now when you go back to your leads and go to John Test, you will notice that in this case here, cities interested in: Los Angeles, Nevada, San Diego, Florida. So if I choose Florida, for example, and you have to save the custom fields. Once it's saved, if you wanted to run an advanced search on your whole database for properties or people who are interested, let's say in Florida, you just choose through the advanced search section, hit search, and we'll pull up the lead that makes that criteria. Once again, if you go to Tools and Settings and go to Manage Lead Custom Fields, once you create a field and you try to edit this, you will notice that the field type is not selectable. If you wanted to make it now a checkbox or something different, you have to recreate it. This is for purposes of managing control of your database. You can, however, keep on adding more properties here. So you can go ahead and say California and other areas, so that you can continue to build up more properties or more areas that people are interested in. This concludes the video on Lead Custom Fields. Any questions, simply click on Private Video Help or Support. Thank you very much.